Hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we're gonna solve again the competitive program question. And the question says that short an array of 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so you can see that it is of easy tag. They have said that it is easy, and the accuracy is 51.36%. And the according to this question, they says that you will be given array of 0, 1 and 2, only 0, 1 and 2, and you have to sort that array in order of n time. Okay, you have to sort this in order of n time. So if you go to what you can say, during the sorting algorithm, we know that the fastest we can go for sorting an algorithm is in the n log n time. Okay, the quick sort and other thing. So how we can solve this? Okay, so let me open my VS Code, and let me increase this size. Okay, so let's say that I have a array of 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and my result should be it should be like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 2. So how we can get this? Okay, so according to me, what I think is that firstly I will count number of zeros. Okay, I will go with something like that counting short approach. Okay, so firstly I will make an array. Okay, and in that array I will check how many zeros are there. Okay, because I know that every array starts with the index of 0, so I will count how many zeros are there. Okay, so it says 3, so I will say 3. Then I will count how many ones are there, so I will say 3. Now I will count how many twos are there, I will say 3. Okay, after that what I will do, I will create a new array, and what I will do, I will insert, let's say that let's say this array is x. Okay, so what I will do, I will just check that element at I. Okay, in x, how many element are there, values there. So I will just count the x at I. Okay, and then I will push let's say 0. Okay, or then I will go with the 1. So what I am saying, that I have to push the amount of index. Okay, so let's say that this 3, so let me just visualize it something like this. 0 is 3 times, 1 is 3 times, and 4 is 3 times, sorry, 2 is 3 times. Okay, so what I will do, in my new array, I will push 0 3 times, I will push 1 3 times, I will push 2 3 times. Okay, and at the end this array will have the sorted of this array. Okay, I am showing you one method, and I am gonna explain you another method at the end of this tutorial, and you all have to code that question and give the answer in the comment section below. Okay, so let's just first find out this x. Okay, so what we will do, firstly let me just count the what you can say length of x, sorry, a array. Okay, then what I will do, I will create a x variable, and I will assign it a array, and what I will do, I will just fill that element with 0. I know that at this point the element will be 5. Okay, and let me just comment it down. And now what I will do, I will go create a for loop. I should be less than L and I plus plus. This is a thing that you all can understand. Now what I will do, I will go at the array at I. What it says, that just go at the 0 position at array. So what you will find, 0. Okay, and x at 0. Okay, I will at this point my x is 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 5 times 0. So it will say that just go to the 0th index of x, and I will increment that position value by 1. Okay, just this thing. And now firstly let's see what is the output of this x. Okay, let me show you the output. I will go. Okay, so you can see that we have 3 3 3 and rest is 0. Okay, now we have to think about something. And firstly what I have said, that I have to push 0 3 times, 1 3 times. So I am gonna again call the what you can say, for loop. It will go to L, length of the array. And now what I will do, I will check if x at I, okay, is not equal to 0. Okay, if it's not equal to 0, I will create a variable y here, which will be an array. Okay, what I will do, y dot push what I will do, I will have to push I, because I is the index place at this point. Okay, then what I will do, I will just go at the index place of x, and what I will do, I will decrease that value. At first it was 3333 and then 0 comma 0. Now after first iteration it will be 2, then after second iteration it will be 1, then it will be 0. Okay, and after this I will decrease the index of I. Okay, because at this point currently I am at 3. Okay, and I have pushed the 0 in my y. Now my x is 2, and because this x value at 0 is 2, so it means that I have to push 2 more zeros. That's why I am not incrementing, because if this I was not there in the second iteration, my I will move to the first position, and the 0th position having 2 as a value. That's why I am decreasing this I by 1, decreasing y by 1. Yeah, okay. And after that what I will do, I will just console dot log y and then save, and let's see the output of our question. Okay, so you can see that I have something like this: 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2. Okay, so you can use this thing to sort a array of 0 1 2. This is a question that is present in many of the platforms like HackerRank also, LeetCode also, Geeks for Geek also. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay. Now what we will do, okay, so at some point you will find that they will say that you don't have to use any of the sorting algorithm, because if you see this thing carefully, it is somewhat like counting sort. It is a modified version of the counting sort. Okay, so and this will give the answer in order of n times. And now what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you the one more method. Okay, I'm not gonna code it, but I'm gonna explain it, and you all have to do that question. Okay, so let's come at this point. What we will do, we will just divide our array into 3 parts. Okay, we will just divide our array in 3 parts. And what we will do, in the middle of this array everything will be 1, at the starting of array everything will be 0, and at the end everything will be 2. So what we will do, we will have a pointer at the starting that will be low, and we will have a pointer at the end index that will be high, and at the same point we will have a pointer at the starting, that will be mid. And now what we will do, we will check if element at I is double equal to 0, then what we will do, we will swap element at low and what you can say mid. Okay, and if what you can say element at I is double equal to 1, then I have to move my mid at by 1. Okay, by 1. And same thing you will do with the high thing. Okay, just think about this thing. Okay, I think we have done this type of concept in the what you can say binary sort thing. Okay, so use that technique to do all this thing, and it will be solved in order of n times also. Okay, so I hope that you all got the answer and understand what I'm gonna say, I'm trying to say. Try to solve this thing using this method, and if you are not able to solve, just comment me down, I will definitely get back to you on that and I will solve that. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.